Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel, and today I am coming to you with a Beebeecraft unbagging. Yes, unbagging. All my stuff was in this little bag. And you'll see why in a minute. So, I will put links to everything below, to Beebeecraft's site, to their YouTube program. Now their YouTube program is open to anyone who has a YouTube channel where you make videos and you have at least 100 subscribers. Now you apply to the program, and if accepted, you get to choose $40 worth of merchandise off of their site, and they will send it to you free of charge. And what they ask in return is that you do a video of your unbagging or unboxing and 2 videos using the items that you got from them. Then you have to send them the links to the unboxing and to the 2 videos you did. Not very hard for some good products. They have tons and tons of jewelry stuff. Tons. Beautiful beads, everything you can think of. And I think their crafting section is getting better and better all the time. They're always adding something. So check it out if you're interested. So why did I get such a tiny little bag this time? Because I only ordered dies. I'm not big at jewelry making. I'm not good at it. I don't know how to do it. Someday maybe, but right now I just wanted to stick with what I know, and that is card making and stuff like that. And dies always come in handy. So let me show you the first set of dies. What I want to stress is that in this first die set, there were 4 dies. They all come in their own little baggie. And then they took these little baggies and they put them in a piece of bubble wrap, and then they took that and put it in one of these plastic bags. Their packaging is wonderful. I love, love, love their packaging. They do an excellent, excellent job with it. Let me just put a piece of paper here so you can see a little bit better. Alrighty, so I have to learn a metric system. If anything I've learned with this order, I need to learn it, because I have no clue how big anything is. And I thought these dies were going to, not all of them, but some of them would be larger than what they are. And this set is one of them. And it's cute. It's very cute. And these are all little decorative dies that you can use on cards or whatever. So I took the die and cut it out so you could see what it looks like cut out. So this is the die, and this is what it looks like cut out. It's very pretty. Make a beautiful decorative piece on an ATC, on a card, on a box, whatever. So I thought that was cute. And then we have this one. Now I just use scrap paper, so probably not the papers I would use in cards and stuff, but, and this is what it looks like cut out. Cute. And then there were 4 in this set, and this is the die. And these are steel rule dies, I believe. And this is what it looks like cut out. The black looks really pretty against the white, doesn't it? And this was the biggest one. That's what the die looks like. And then I cut it out on this copper foil paper. Isn't that pretty? And those are the 4 dies that came in this first set. And I got 4 sets from them, 4 different sets. See, some of the papers stuck in here. I didn't clean them out very well. Alrighty, so that is the first set that I got. A little smaller than I expected, but I'll find something to do with them. They cut out very, very well, I have to say. With these, they cut out really well. This next set I was hoping was larger, but they are just so cute anyway. I love them. And there are all these little flowers. It's hard for me to tell if you can see or not. And then at the bottom of the flower is a word. So hopefully you can see it on here. Here's the rose, and I did it in pink. And see the word? You can see it? Maybe against the paper. It says love. Isn't that cute? There's one, and there were 4 in this set as well. And here is the die. I did this one in purple, the flower. And this one says, I'll pick it up to show you. Hard to see. It says wish. Can you see it? It's so cute. Cute. And then this one. And this is what it looks like. And it says hope. Isn't that cute? And the last one. A cute die. And it says smile. Aren't they cute? Oh, I thought these would be so cute on cards. Again, I was hoping they'd be a little larger, but very usable, and they cut out very easily, very easily. So I like these a lot. I like these a lot. Alrighty. Which one to do next? Let's do this one. So the next set I got were the bow dies, and I'm sure you've seen them with somebody else because everybody's been getting these bow dies. So here's the die. Here's what it looks like cut out. Let's see if I can do it this way. I still got paper stuck in it. One piece. And then with this die, I love this die. I think it's just so pretty. And I first tried to cut it out with vellum. I don't know why I thought vellum would work, but I like to try different things. Well, that didn't work very well. Here's the vellum, and it is in pieces. I think my vellum was just way too thin. Way too thin. Then I cut it out in white, and it cut perfectly. Very pretty bow. And then there's this one. Cute. And I did it in purple glitter. Now this is a very thick cardstock, and it cut well. I had to put it through a couple times, but it cut it out quite well. So isn't that pretty? And then this is the last one. Cute. I don't have a big enough piece here, and I just did it in red. Very cute. I like these bow dies. I like them a lot. They cut very well. No problems, except with the vellum. And that's probably my fault. It's very thin. It couldn't take that. So, on to the final set I got. I'm sure you know what I'm going to be doing with these, right? Back to my roots, as I like to say. They had a set of butterfly dies. Oh, let me see if I can even get these straight. So of course I was excited because butterflies are my favorite thing. So I picked butterfly dies, of course. I got paper still in it that I didn't clean out yet, so let me see here. Let's start with some of the things I'm not quite sure what I would do with. So I got this one, this had quite a few dies in it. 1, 3, 4, 5. I think I missed 6 or 7 dies in it. So it was a good set. And this was the die. See all the little butterflies? I don't know what I thought this was going to do. I didn't buy it for this die, but this is one of the ones that came with it. And when you cut it out, it just leaves them like this. It doesn't cut the butterflies out. So I guess you would use this as a background on a card or something like that. Not crazy about it. Not my thing. Cut out fine. Not a problem. Just not something I think I will use. So there's one. And then another one that was a little strange to me. Again, I didn't buy it for that die. My stuff is getting tangled up here, so hold on a sec. Okay, and it was this one. What do I do with that? Yes, I can put it on the front of a card. It's not exactly what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to cut out the whole thing with all of the designs in it. It came with these little dragonflies. So I guess you could, it's cut crooked because I just cut it with my scissors. Can you see it well? Let me see here. Let's put a piece of black paper here. It looks cute on black paper, right? And then it cut out these little dragonflies that you can put on here, I guess. And that would make a cute little front to a card, I guess, a small card. A little different, kind of cool. So that was this die. Sorry if I seem all over the place. It's because I am. Oh, gosh. And then they had this die. And this one cut out really pretty. I like this one a lot. A real lot. I see myself using this one quite a bit. Very pretty. Very pretty butterfly die. I like it much, much, much. And then there was this one, and I'm missing a piece. Oh gosh, I have not had a good time cutting all this stuff out this afternoon, I'll tell you. Anyway, this is the die. It's very pretty, very monarchy, my favorite butterfly. And I just cut it out on a piece of scrap paper. And it does have the outline die with it, so that you can cut the background solid if you like, and make a 2-layer butterfly. Or you can just use this and use that as your butterfly. I don't use the background very often, but this is very pretty too. I like it. But I wanted to show it to you with the background, and now I don't know where the background die is. Oh my gosh, I got such a mess on my desk. And then it had this dragonfly die, which I just think is adorable. And what happened? I cut out the dragonfly, and the die jumped off my machine, leaped off my machine, hit the floor, and I have no idea where it went to. I lost the dragonfly die. Can you believe that? And I like it. I like it a lot. Like it a lot. So, I don't know where it went to. It'll show up, but just like the the background for that last butterfly. I don't know. I don't know where it went to. All of these cut out pretty good. But the die I bought, or I chose this kit for, is this one. Beautiful, beautiful butterfly. And it's a nightmare. Ugh. Took me 4 times, 4 pieces of paper to cut out this butterfly. I love doing shadow cards. I love putting something like this on a shadow card. And it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. But to cut it out, oh my gosh. And this is not thick paper. This is fairly thin paper. Oh, 4 tries before I finally got it cut out. So this one I'm a little disappointed with because I don't know if I'd have the patience to cut this out very often. That's my one hiccup with this order, was I really wanted this die. I had another one similar to this, and heck if I can find it. And I've used that one several times without a problem. But this one, for some reason, just didn't cut all the way through, even on thinner paper. Die seems fine. I don't know. Maybe I just got a bad die. I don't know. But that's it. That's my Beebeecraft haul. 4 sets of dies. Now I have to rethink what I was going to make because some of them turned out to be smaller than I thought. But I'll come up with something. So stay tuned for my 2 videos where I use these dies. That's all I have for you today. I hope you have a wonderful crafty week. And as always, love yous. Bye.